Guys, in this video we will see how to fix error code 602. The bucket array must be ground. Retry transaction. After doing so, error allocate bucket on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of error code, then here are the fixes. And the first workaround is right click on a start button and choose task manager and go to process and end task for your critical programs and features in your system. Microsoft Store, Windows Explorer, and any apps and features. Simply select it and choose End Task. Any apps and programs and features, Windows Command Processor. Some important and critical tasks, simply select it and choose End Task. To completely close the task process through Task Manager. After that, close the windows and again check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, go to Windows search and type CMD and open command prompt windows, run as administrator mode. In command prompt windows, execute these three DISM tool as shown on screen. DISM online cleanup image scan health, DISM online cleanup image check health, and DISM online cleanup image restore health. Execute all these three commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time in command prompt windows, and after execute the command sfc/scan now and press enter. It will scan your system for any corrupted or bad system files. Wait till 100% verification complete and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, and the next one is increase the virtual memory size. To increase the virtual memory size, go to Windows search and in search field type view advanced system settings. Open it. Here from the top menu bar, go to the option advanced and under performance click on settings. A new window will open. Here again from the top menu bar, go to advanced and under virtual memory click on change. A new window will open. Here uncheck the option automatically manage paging file size for all driver. Uncheck this feature. Thereafter scroll down and choose custom size. You can also choose no paging file and click on save. Otherwise, close the windows and make the check against option custom size and initial size and maximum size. What will be your initial size and maximum size? Apply this formula. For initial size, 1.5 into available physical RAM into 1024. If your physical RAM is 4 GB, then formula will be 1.5 into 4 into 1024 and is equal to 6144. This will be your initial size if your physical RAM is available 4 GB. So enter initial size 6144 and formula for maximum size of your virtual memory 3 into available physical RAM into 1024. This will be your maximum size of your virtual memory. 3 into virtual memory is 4 GB into 1024 and it will come 12288. So maximum size of your virtual memory will be 12288. And finally, click on apply and OK to save the changes. Close the windows and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. The next one is open control panel in your system. Here under available items, go to programs and features. And here look for the apps and programs you are facing error against them or any recently apps and programs if you have installed in your system. Simply select it and choose uninstall. and reinstall a fresh version of that apps and programs in your system. That's all.